How to verify your PayPal account. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very simple and easy, so you have to follow me along the video. So now let's get started. First of all, if you have connected your bank and cards, you have to simply go to it, and if I scroll down, and if you have currently a card in your PayPal account, there will be an option to verify your card. You have to simply click on it and they will charge about $2.50, like it's a fees for confirming your account. So once you are done confirming it, you have to do the same for your bank account. You have to simply click on it, and after linking your bank account there will be option to verify your bank, and also there will be two and more fees. So you have to keep in mind that in your bank there will be about $5, so that you don't face any kind of problem in verifying your account. So yeah, that's how basically you will verify your PayPal account.